Hello children, myself Shilpa teaching you English. Today in this class we are going to start the new lesson, that is the magic porridge pot. The lesson name is the magic porridge pot. Okay, before going for the textbook, I'll say you the story of this lesson now. Okay, do you like the story? Yes. Yes children, here one girl, a little girl, her name is Larissa. She lived in a small village in Meghalaya. Okay, what is the girl name here? Larissa. Where did she live? She lived in a small village in Meghalaya. Okay, her mother was selling the palm tree brushes. What she used to sell? She was selling the palm tree brushes and she used to earn the money every day. Okay, so in that money only they are going to maintain the house for food, everything. That is only very important for them. Okay, so one day suddenly what happens? Larissa's mother fell ill. Means she fell sick. She can't able to sell the palm tree brushes. She can't go outside also. During that time, what this Larissa did? During that time, what this Larissa did, you know? Yes, there was nothing to eat in home. There was nothing to eat. So that time what she would do it? She went to collect the jackfruits. There was a plenty of jackfruits in that village. Okay, so she thought that let me collect some jackfruits and let us eat today. So she went to collect the jackfruits. When she was taking the jackfruit, suddenly a voice she heard. Okay, she heard a voice that someone saying, "Why you're taking the jackfruit?" So suddenly what happened? She just lifted her head up and she saw a kind woman who was standing in front of her. Okay, what did she see? She saw a woman, that is very kind faced woman in front of her. Then she replied, "There is nothing to eat in our home. So I am collecting the jackfruit." So this old lady, what she did, old woman, she told, "Okay, poor girl, don't worry, I will help you." Okay, what she did, the old woman was carrying a basket. On her back, she was carrying one basket. Okay, so from that basket, she pulled the pot and she gave for the Larissa, saying that you take this pot to home. Whenever you need the food, I'll say the words. I'll say and give the magic words. You just say that word. When you say that word, the food will be cooked in the pot. Okay. She told the old woman, gave the pot to Larissa and told that you want to say these words that cook food, little pot, cook food. Okay, these are the words said by the old woman. Okay, so then to stop cooking, she told, "Stop cooking, little pot, stop cooking food." Okay, she told and gave. So after listening to that, what she did, Larissa, she threw the jackfruit there and she ran to the home carrying the pot given by the old woman. When she went to home, after going to home, her and her mother, Larissa and her mother, they were started cooking. She told that the pot to cook food. Okay, they were very hungry, no, they wanted to eat some food. So what she did, she just kept the pot in front of her and she told that the magic words that cook food, cook good food, something like this, cook a porridge, little girl, little pot, cook a food. So what happened that time? The pot started cooking the food. Okay, after they get some food, what she will say? Stop, little pot, stop cooking. So what happens the time? It stopped. So how much they want? They both were eating. It has been continued for some days. Okay, after some days, every day they were happy now. Every day they were getting the food to eat, enough food to eat. One day what happens? This Larissa went with her friend outside. She went to play, okay, with her friends. So mother feels like eating the porridge. Okay, porridge means it is a soft food which is cooked with the water or well as milk. Okay, it is very soft food. Porridge is nothing but a food cooked with water or milk. Okay, so she feel like to eat porridge. So what she will do? She will sit in front of the pot and she will say that cook porridge, little pot, cook porridge. So the pot started cooking the porridge. Afterwards, she don't know to stop that. Okay, how much she wants, she ate the porridge. Afterwards what? She don't know how to stop that cooking. So the pot started cooking. Then it was coming out of the pot. It was spilled over the pot. Okay, so she don't know what to do now. So suddenly the porridge came out of the pot and it flowed on the floor and to the street also. By seeing that, the Larissa came to know that something has happened and she ran and came back to the house and she saw the pot and told the magic words that stop cooking little pot, stop. When she told the magic words, the cooking was stopped. Okay, so from that day onwards, mother and Larissa were very happy. Okay, every day what they need, everything was cooked by the pot. Okay, they lived happily. Okay, this is a small story of Larissa. Okay, so now let us go through the textbook now. So this is lesson number 6. You can see the textbook, lesson number 6, the magic porridge pot. Let me read the lesson now. Okay? Okay, children. See, children, you can see the 3 pictures in your textbook. Okay, 3 pictures. That is a magic pen, a magic slate, and 3 magic words. Okay, can you guess what this will do? Can you guess and say me what this magic pen will do? It will write. Okay, whatever you feel, it will write. It's like a magic. Magic slate. Have you seen the magic slate? Yes. Yes. So what it will do, what you'll use for that? Okay, something like a magic. When you write on something and just you do like this, it will be rubbed. Yes, now again you can't see that. Something like that. Okay, 3 magic words. That is please, sorry, and thank you. These are the 3 magic words you can say. How? Say children, for example, I'll give you. If you are in need of anything, you don't have that. Okay. For example, if you come to the school, you'll forget to bring the pencil. Yes, no? So what you will do that time? What you'll do? You'll ask your friend. How you are going to ask? Please give me a pencil. Can I have a pencil? Okay. When you ask, please, the friend is going to give the pencil for you. Right? Then sorry. Sorry. When you use this word, if you did any wrong. Okay, sometimes while roaming or sometimes when you're sitting with your friend, something happened. Okay, if you push or something, if the book is fell down, that time what you will say? Sorry. You'll say no. So that time, if you say sorry, your friend will feel happy. Yes, no? So this the sorry is a magic word. Okay, then the thank you. If you take any help from others, Okay, that time you should use this thank you word. Okay, anything. If you taken from anyone, just you also say thank you, my dear friend. Got it? So these are the three magic words you can see. So children, now imagine if you had a magic pot that could cook anything you wanted. Now you have to feel that if you are having the magic pot with you, so what do you feel to cook in that? Okay, what do you feel? Yes. Next, read the story to find out what may happen. Okay, now Larissa lived with her mother in a small village in Meghalaya. Okay, who is the Larissa here? She's a little girl. Where she used to live? In a small village that is in Meghalaya. Her mother earned money by selling palm tree brushes in the market. She did not earn much. So as I told you this, Larissa's mother used to sell the palm tree brushes in the market. So how much she used to get the little money only, not so much of money. So one day Larissa's mother fell very ill. She could not earn any money. There was nothing at home to eat. Larissa went out to gather jackfruit for them to eat. Jackfruit was plenty and people could gather it for free. So what happens one day here? Larika's mother fell ill. So she could not earn the money. Okay, she was well, how she can earn the money? No. So there was nothing at home to eat. Nothing was there nothing was there at home to eat. So Larissa went to gather the jackfruit. Okay, it is free of cost. So there was a lot of jackfruits in that village. Means plenty more of jackfruits in that village, which is free of cost. As she bent down to pick a nice ripe jackfruit, someone said, "Why are you collecting jackfruit?" Okay, when she bent down to pick a nice jackfruit, someone said, "Why are you collecting the jackfruit?" So she looked up into the kind face of an old woman with a basket on her head. What did she see now? She just looked up. So there was a old woman standing in front of her carrying a basket on her back. Okay, we have nothing to eat at home, Grandma, Larissa replied. So what she told now? She told to the grandmother, "We don't have anything at home to eat." Grandma, she will say, very softly, she will say this, "Oh, poor you, let me give you something." She pulled a small pot from her basket. So what she will say, what she will do here? She will say that, "Oh, poor girl, okay, I will give you something." She will say that, "I will give you something." And she started to pull the pot from her basket. This is a magic pot. Just say, "Cook good food, little pot." It will cook good food for you. To stop it from cooking, just say, "Stop, little pot, stop." What she is going to say now? She will give that pot to the Larissa and she will say that only you should say that cook good food, little pot. What you want to say that? Cook good food, little pot. If you say that, what will happen? It will start cooking the food in the pot. Okay, to stop that, what you want to say? Stop, little pot, stop. What you want to say? Stop, little pot, stop. Okay, thank you. Larissa dropped the jackfruit and ran home with the magic pot. What she told now? What she told now? Thank you. For whom did she say thank you? For the old man. Why? Why she told thank you for the old man here? Because she has given the magic pot. Right? So what did she do? Larissa, she left the jackfruits there and there and she ran to the home. Cook some nice porridge, little pot, she said, and the pot cooked delicious porridge. Stop, little pot, stop. Larissa said, and it stopped cooking. Larissa and her mother ate the tasty porridge. Okay, what will happen after going home? She came with the magic pot no to home. So she'll say that cook some nice porridge, little pot. When she told this magic word, it begins to cook the food. Okay, after some time she will say that stop little pot. Stop cooking little pot. So it will stop the cooking. And afterwards, Larissa and her mother will eat the tasty porridge. Okay, after this, they had nice food every day and her mother soon got well. So after this, what happens? Every day they were doing the same thing. Okay, so cooking food and eating, cooking food and eating. For some days they have done the same thing. After this, her mother also became healthy now. She got well. Okay, next. One day Larissa was out with her friends. Her mother wanted to eat some porridge. She said, cook nice porridge, little pot. Soon the smell of porridge filled the room. Her mother ate the delicious porridge till she was full. So what happens when her mother got well? This Larissa went out with her friends, okay, to play. So here her mother feels like eating the porridge. So what she will do, she will say to the pot that cook nice porridge, little pot. Cook nice porridge, little pot, she will say. So soon the smell of porridge filled the room. Okay, when she told this, the smell of the porridge has filled the entire room. Her mother ate the delicious porridge till she was full. Okay, she started to eat the porridge till her stomach is filled. Okay, she wanted the pot to stop, but she could not remember the exact words. So the pot went on cooking. Porridge spilled over the floor and flowed into the street. So what happened? When she ate nicely, stomach fully, she don't know the exact words to stop cooking. Okay, the porridge was full of the pot. It was coming out of the pot. That means spilled over the floor. So she don't know what to say, how to stop that cooking. She don't know the exact words to say. So what happens here? The porridge, everything came out of the pot, spilled over the floor and started flowing on the street. Next, Larissa saw the porridge in the street and understood. She ran home and said, stop little pot, stop. The pot stopped cooking. So Larissa was playing outside. So she saw the porridge on the street which is flowing and coming in the street. So now she has understood what has happened. So suddenly she ran and came to the home and told the magic words, stop little pot, stop. Okay, when she told this, the pot stopped cooking. So Larissa taught her mother the magic words that made the pot stop cooking. They lived happily ever after. So at last, this Larissa told and gave the magic words for her mother. Okay, so ever after they lived happily in their life. Okay, children, you understood? Understood the lesson? Yes, let us see some meanings in this lesson. Okay. The first meaning is palm tree brushes. Okay, palm tree brushes means brushes made out of the stem of a palm tree. You know the stem, no children? Palm tree stems. So these are the brushes. Palm tree brushes means these are the brushes made out of the stem of a palm tree. Just repeat the words. Palm tree brushes, brushes made out of the stem of a palm tree. Okay, next, jackfruit. Have you seen the jackfruit? Yes. What is the taste of the jackfruit, children? Sweet. Okay, so a large and heavy fruit found in many parts of Asia. These are the jackfruits are the very large and it is a heavy fruit. Large and heavy fruit found in many places. It has been found in the many places of Asia. Next, ripe. Ripe means a fruit that is ready to be eaten. Ripe means a fruit that is ready to be eaten. Okay, however the fruit is, we can't eat like that. As no, it should be ripe. We have to eat means it should be ripe, sweet. Okay, so ripe means a fruit that is ready to be eaten. Next, porridge. What do you mean by porridge here? A soft food made cooked with milk or water. Okay, it is a soft food made cooked with milk or water that people eat for breakfast. Okay, these are the porridge the people used to eat for breakfast. Okay, next, delicious. Delicious means tasty. Delicious, tasty. Okay, tasty food will say no, like the delicious food. Spilled over. Spilled over means went over the edge of the pot. Spilled over means went over the edge of the pot. Okay, you can see when your mama is boiling the milk. Okay, when she used to boil the milk, what happens? Suddenly, in one edge, the milk is coming out. You can observe that picture. Like that, here the porridge is spilled. Means it came out of the pot. Okay, edge of the pot. Right, children? Now you have understood this lesson? Yes, I hope you all understood the lesson. Okay, fine. We will meet in the next class. Okay, shall we meet in the next class? Okay, children, take care.